Focus on yourself till people start focusing on you. Let's start today's share market ki chopal with Arvind sir. Today we are going to discuss regarding a powerful candlestick pattern, that is a single candlestick pattern, and the name of that pattern is Dragonfly Doji. Dragonfly Doji is a powerful candlestick pattern which normally made at the bottom of a trend if there is a downtrend, and if you see that Dragonfly Doji at the bottom, then you can be assured now market is going to reverse from downtrend to uptrend. There is one point. Second point, if market is going to up and market start struggling in a range, after some time it start struggling in a range, and in that range if you see that Dragonfly Doji, then you can be assured now market is going to more upside like that. Today in this class, in next 10 to 15 minutes, we are going to decode how this Dragonfly Doji creates, and we are going to teach you one unique method. By using that method, you can avoid so many traps of the market and you can be a pro trader. Let's start. What is Dragonfly Doji? Dragonfly Doji is basically a bullish reversal pattern. So let's understand how it creates. The logic of the creation of this candlestick pattern is, for example, there is a stock and the name of the stock is Apple. Okay, the price of Apple start here. For example, it's start around $210, and after that seller sell the stock and take this price down, and it comes around $200. But buyer was here and they start buying, and the price goes here to $20. But at the end of the market session, it's come down, it's closed around $218. That means this is the open price, this is the low price, this is the high price, and this is the close price. Due to this, there is a formation: open, down, up, high, like this. This formation creates. This formation is known as Dragonfly Doji candlestick pattern. It's the same pattern as per the hammer or as per the inverted hammer. So you can say Dragonfly Doji will work same as the hammer, but it's more powerful than hammer because the tail of Dragonfly Doji is more higher, more long than this hammer. Normally in hammer candlestick pattern, the body will be X and the tail will be 2x. For example, the size of body is 10 rupees and tail size is 10 into 2, at least 20 rupees. But here it should be at least 3, 10 into 3, 10. That means the tail should be at least 3x in Dragonfly Doji. So this is the way to formation of a Dragonfly Doji. Now let's understand how can we start working on this. There will be 3 rules. Before going on the chart, let's discuss 3 rules. If you see one downtrend, full downtrend means at least 6 to 7 candle should be formed, because there is a very high length of candle. That's why we are taking here 2 and 3 is okay, but in normal size 6 to 7 candles should be created first. Second, if RSI is greater than 50 marks and if MACD is greater than 0 line, if 3 candle meets, and if you see this type of pattern which is known as the Dragonfly Doji, then you can start caution, you can start focusing on it and now start thinking for the trade. But normally in the market, if you see, people tell when this type of formation create, you just make a line here. When one body close here, you just take entry here. It's not correct. Let's wait, because if we take the entry and price goes down, then it can hunt our stop loss. Then stop loss is very high here because tail is long now. So because tail is long, that's why our stop loss is very high here, very huge stop loss is here. So stop loss hunting will be very bad for normal traders, for retail traders. So now we are going to teach you a unique method in trading view. See the chart of Dragonfly Doji. How we are going to put these lines? Let's do it again. Let's delete it, and we are going to put it again. If you are going to open the trading views, it's free of cost. No? You can just download from the app store and you can just put it. We are going to put two indicator. We are going to put two indicator. One will be the moving average, exponential, and second will be the doji, bullish. Dragonfly Doji bullish. We are going to put two indicator and we are going to close it. Here there will be some changing in setting. We are going to change the input 9 to 50 and style should be little like this. This is the chart. When you put these two indicator, we are going to hide it. If you are going to put these two indicator, now what you will see, there will be word DD, that means Dragonfly Doji. So how we are going to trade? We are just going to open the chart and every time when the Doji will be formed, the DD will be come below the candle. Now here there is one formation, Dragonfly Doji. How we are going to trade it? What we are going to trade it in the way, first of all, we have seen one Dragonfly Doji. We are going to put one line above, one line downside. When any candle, if it's already above the 50 EMA, if any candle made above the up, then we are going to think for buy, but we are not going to buy. We are going to buy only when the another follow-up candle, another green candle creates above this candle. That means this candle will be our trigger. This is the entry point. This is the stop loss. Below of the doji should be the stop loss. Let's understand in another example. Let's see in another chart in SBI. We have seen this Dragonfly Doji here. This is Dragonfly Doji. We are going to put one line above the up, going to put one line below this Dragonfly Doji. We are not going to take any trade here. We are going to wait if any candle touches the 50 EMA. This candle touches the 50 EMA, and after that candle, if any green candle formed above the high of that touching candle, that means this. So this candle will be our entry point and the low of the Dragonfly Doji will be our stop loss and target should be 1:1. This is the way of working with Dragonfly Doji for a great profit as a pro trader. Let's find in another example. We can also trade it in crypto also. So let's find in ETH, Ethereum. So if we are going to see in Ethereum, sometimes there is no DD. No? If there is no DD, that means like here, this is a complete Dragonfly Doji. This, but we have to wait to candle touch this 50 line, and if any candle touch here and if any follow-up candle made above this touching candle, then we are going to take entry here and our stop loss should be here. First target should be 1:1. So this is the way of trading dragonfly doji candlestick pattern. In next video, we are going to teach you about the bullish harami, apart from hammer, inverted hammer, like this. Hope you understand all these things. This is a unique method. You should use dragonfly doji with 50 MA, but also you should understand RSI should be above the 50, MACD line should be above the zero line, and volume should be increasing before start the trade. So this is the perfect way of trade as a pro trader. Hope you understand. Please like, subscribe the channel and share the channel. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.